Hi guys, how are you all? How are you, Arush, Avyukt? Prince, school is getting over tomorrow or over already?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, okay. How about you, Avyukt? When is school getting over?
Tomorrow.
Oh, okay. You're in Frisco, you're in Plano. All of them are getting over only tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm in Prosper, by the way, so.
Oh, yeah. Achha, every time I mistake it. I'm sorry. Yeah. Arush, for you as well tomorrow?
No, my school ended yesterday.
Oh, wow. Frisco. Frisco is always different, right?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Okay, guys. You know what? I really want to show. Last class, what did we do? Actually, there is a test. Okay. What I did was I did go over correlation and then only provided the test yesterday because the exam has questions on correlation. Hold on. 1 second. Okay. Last week, we went over transformation. How difficult was the Avyut? You tell me, Avyut.
Creating algebraic and those algebraic stuff. I just needed some help on creating them. After that, it was quite simple, or I
Quite
was
simple.
able. It was satisfying enough to do.
Okay, okay. So it's not okay. I know that, meaning my intent of that homework was not for you to get 100% of it, but you got your hands wet in transformation and basic things like dilation, translation, and all you will be able to do. Correct? Okay. Yeah, and given a transformation, given a figure, right, you will be able to tell which is dilation, which is translation. Correct? Okay. How about you, Prince? You'll be able to say that, right? I know your school also covered it, so you should be able to say that, right?
Yes, that's true.
Arush, how about you? No, not really, right?
It was kind of hard.
I didn't see your submission as well.
Mm, I did. I just didn't submit it. But I
You didn't
submitted like everything else.
Okay.
Like, all of like the scientific, the stuff before that I submitted. I just didn't submit this one.
Okay. Okay. Uh, I understand. Now, the thing is, I just want to tell you about a correlation. Have they discussed correlation and scatter plot, Prince, at your school?
Like positive correlation.
Yeah.
I think so.
Okay, so I'll just go over it a little, okay, and then provide you with what you need to do. Okay. Mm, Let me show you guys. Without that, I can't give you the test because I feel guilty that it asks for some correlation questions and it's not there. Okay. So basically, it's not a hard topic and all. Okay. XY are two different quantities, right? You know that already. Okay. Now, how about this? X equal to minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2. Another table, XY. Let me put it in a different color so we quickly understand what it is, okay? XY has minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3, minus 2, 2. How are they different? This is table 1, this is table 2. I really want to understand what is the difference between the two. Can you guess? What is the difference between the two? After this, I'll get you the test, okay? But however, I want to finish up this as your last thing. What
Uh,
is the difference between?
y in table two starts with two positive numbers and then it goes zero and then all
Okay, let
negative.
me let me cancel this out.
Oh,
There's
it
a difference.
starts with a
Can you plot these points and then tell me how do they differ? Why do they differ? What happens when x value increases? What happens to the y value?
Miss Priya.
Uh-huh.
Oh wait, never mind.
Read a shout out.
Yes. Shout out.
So,
We are discussing,
in
right?
table one, as x increases, y also increases. In table two, as x increases, y decreases.
Oh yes, good job. In the table 1, x increases, y increases. So the values are like this. I wanted to plot it in red color. I don't want to confuse you. Ashrita, you're listening?
Yeah.
In table 2, right? What happens? Minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2. What happens? There's a big difference. This belongs to table 2. This belongs to table 1, correct? So, x increases, y increases here. X decreases, y decreases. There is a proportional relation. Okay. There's a directly proportional. They are directly proportional. Right? Here, x increases, y decreases. Y increases, x decreases. They're inversely proportional, opposite. You got it? Okay. Now, the red color, right? I'm able to draw a straight line connecting all of the points. So I call such a relationship between x and y as strong positive correlation. The slope of that line will be positive. Strong positive correlation. Whereas the second table, x increases, y decreases, inversely proportional, right? Basically, the slope of this line is a negative. So, strong negative correlation. Do you guys get it? Any questions here? Correlation means connection between the two variables. Any questions?
So when it's positive, it'd be strong positive correlation, and when it's negative, it'd just be negative correlation.
Strong or weak, I'll tell you how to decide. Got it? Avyuk, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, so why are we learning this? In algebra 1, you'll find out, hey, what is the correlation? It can range from -1 to 1. Okay, is it negative or positive? Is it strong negative? Strong positive means it will lean towards 1. If it is strong negative, it will lean towards -1. Don't worry about the calculation. Okay, it can be 0 means there is no correlation. Right now, we do see correlation between xy values. Okay, suppose there's a list of data points, x comma y table. Okay, when I have x comma y tables and I plot them, okay, I get something like this. What is this? Would I be able to connect all of the points with a straight line? No. So I will call this as weak positive or negative. Tell me.
Positive.
Positive
What?
because it's
Weak
going
positive
up.
correlation. Yep. You got it? How about this graph? What type of graph is this one?
No correlation.
No correlation. You guys get it? It's easy, right? Okay,
Yeah, I get it.
let me ask you this. How about this? What is this?
Negative weak.
Yeah, it's
Negative.
actually forming a line with a negative slope, but it is all scattered up and down. So it is weak negative. Avyuk, looks like you're not getting it. What is it? You're not getting it?
I'm concentrating.
Oh, you're okay. Weak negative. This is weak positive correlation. This is no correlation. Make sense? A line, if you can get it with a negative slope, though it is scattered around, it's weak negative. When it is completely scattered around, you can't form linear lines, then it is no correlation. When you can form a straight line, it has a positive slope, but there are ups and downs. You see? Then it is weak positive. Any questions? Any questions for me? Okay, good. Can I stop here? Shall I give you the test? I really want you to complete before you log off. Can I give you the test? Guys,
Yeah, you
please
can give
answer
us
that.
the test.
Yeah, thank you. I really appreciate it. See, that gives me a big boost. Somebody answering. I value that as well. Okay, let me give it to you. Yep. Put this. Avyuk, correct Avyuk. That I'm just saying it. Yep. See, you have 35 questions. 45 minutes is more than enough. That's why I wanted to squeeze one concept and one test in the last class. Make sense? It's not an easy test, okay? I'll admit. If you get a 60%, I would be happy. 60 to 70%, I would be happy. Can't I make the test easy? Yes, I can. But you have to know that we have a lot more to learn. That's only the intent. And it's not to judge or anything, okay? I'm not bothered about your question. Only areas where we need to improve. So if you have a question, let's clarify it in class itself, okay? It's not a big scale test or anything, okay? So you can clarify that with me in class itself so that concept gap is patched up, okay? After that, you can answer the question. Don't worry, I will not tell you the answer, okay? But I'll guide you and you can use that and answer. I can help you with anything. I'm here, okay?
Miss Priya,
Yes.
I didn't receive any test.
Ah, really? Oh my goodness, I only sent to Prince. That's bad. I'm sorry. I didn't see.
Yeah, I didn't get it.
Guys, if you keep quiet, what? I might make mistakes, right? That's why I'm asking you should all shout. Thanks. Thanks, Avyuk, for raising it. Did you get it now? By
Yeah,
mistake,
I got it.
Prince was on. Prince, he had sent a message, so I was about to reply to that. I didn't see. Sorry about that. Then I just explained correlation, positive, negative. Now they are writing a test. The test link is here. The test link is here, Danvi. இன்னொரு அரை மணி நேரத்துல ம் is that okay? சாதம் வைக்கணுமா? அப்பதான் இன்னொரு வாய் காஃபி குடிச்சேன். ம். எனக்கு கொஞ்சோண்டு வேணும். இப்ப அவளுக்கு ஃபுட்டு ரைஸ் வேணுமாப்பா? இப்பதான் பார்க்குறேன் நான். அவ்வளோ மெசேஜ். ஓ! நான் பார்க்கலப்பா. Oh my gosh. I'll change Tanna. Oh, Raghava. What?
Did you say something?
No, ma. No, I'm sorry. How is the test, guys? You're all so quiet.
Auntie, I have a question. I don't really understand what 49 means by non-proportional function.
49. Let me see, what is 49? The questions are not in order. You saw that, right? 49. What is a proportional function? Something opposite to that.
Oh, Miss.
What is a proportional function? That which obeys multiplicative relationship, correct?
Yeah.
So which doesn't obey multiplicative relationship is a non-proportional function.
Okay, that makes sense. I'll do it.
Good. But remember that.
Miss Priya. Did we learn about functions?
Did we learn about functions? We didn't, huh?
Because
Oh,
number 47.
you might not have been there at all.
Oh, okay.
It's really okay, but I can explain to you now. 47, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me explain. It's an important part, okay? When you go to algebra, you won't understand anything.
Oh,
Riyanka, did we learn functions? Or Prince, did we learn functions? Let me know, guys. I didn't hear anybody's opinion. Prince, Riyanka, somebody, Arush, anybody can chime in, right? What, ma?
Hmm?
Did we learn functions? Okay, I get no answers. Okay, let me go ahead, okay? The relationship
Thank
between
you.
y and x is a function, okay? Y can be written as function of x. Do you see it? Okay, so basically function whose independent value is x, dependent value is y. You got it? Okay, now in a coordinate plane, right? Is this a function? Yes, it is a linear
Yep.
function. When you plot the points, right, you'll always get, meaning for this line, you're going to get it like this. Correct? Right?
Yeah.
So here, whenever you see a proper function means there is a test that you can do graphically. Okay, draw a vertical line anywhere, okay, on the line. Only one point will coincide. Only one point you'll have an intersection. That's called a vertical line test. Vertical line test tells you whether it's a function or not. You got
Okay. Yeah.
This is a linear function. You know that this is a linear function, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Now, similarly, if you have a function like this, a circle, is this a function?
No.
Does it pass the vertical line test? It doesn't. See, there are 2 points that are intersecting. So this is not a function at all. But when you look at it, what makes it not a function? For the same x value, you have 2 different y values. You see?
Yeah.
Not reliable. Let's say this is a function. You give 3 to it. One day it is producing 5. Another day you give a 3, it producing 7. You won't like that. This is a cheating function. You get it?
Yeah.
Not a function. You see, you want that function black box to be very reliable. If you give a 3, it has to give me a 5. Whatever it is, let it give a 5 or 100. I don't mind. But tomorrow if I give the same 3, it has to give me 100. You got it?
Yeah.
So one input, this is an input. One input should always get only one output. There has to be, meaning there cannot be 2 different outputs for the same input.
Okay.
Got it? But you
Yeah.
know what? Wait. Now, let's say, is this a function? This is a tricky question. Is this a function?
Which one, Miss Priya?
This one,
Um,
the table.
the table. Oh,
This one. Let me erase it and write it down. You see the table now?
yeah.
Is this a function? 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1. Is this a function? Plot it and see.
Oh,
1,
okay.
2, 1, 3, 1. Does it pass the vertical line test?
Yeah.
It does. It is a function. See, it can be the same y value.
Oh, okay.
You get it? Y
But when
value can be the same, but y value cannot be different for the same x value. You got it?
okay, so like y value can't change?
It has to be reliable. See, today
Okay.
you're the function. I give you $5 today. Okay.
Okay.
And then tomorrow I come and ask you $5. Okay, today I give you $5.
Mm.
You will pass on the $5 to somebody. Okay.
Mm.
Tomorrow I give the same $5 to you. You pass on $2 and you take the profit of $3. Will I rely on you? No, right? So it's not a
No.
function. Remember it like that.
Oh,
So
okay.
same input, it has to fetch that output that it fetched. It cannot have two different outputs.
Oh, okay, that makes so much sense.
So that is a function. Now you can answer this. I don't want to
Yeah.
answer the question directly, but if there is a concept, we will patch it up now.
Okay. Thank you.
So, Miss Priya, if it has a 1 point passing through it or 3 or more points passing through it, it's called a function, right? You're muted.
Sorry. Function, a same input cannot have multiple outputs. That's all.
Okay, so just 1 point passing through it.
Yeah, draw a vertical line. Plot the points, draw a vertical line. If it passes through 1 point, it is still a function.
Okay, got it.
Called the vertical line test.
Okay.
Okay, when you come to algebra, again, we'll do that, but it is nice to know it beforehand.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, tell me, Prince.
So the x values can't repeat or the y values can't repeat for functions.
You tell me, Prince. What I'm saying is for proper functions, if I give it, look at it like this, okay? I'm giving you $3 today. Okay, you pass on the $3. I consider you very reliable. Tomorrow, if I give $5, tomorrow, if I give you the same $3, you just pass on $1 and keep $2 with you. Would you like it? No, right? You're not reliable. So basically, if I give the same input any number of times, it should produce the same output. It cannot have multiple outputs for the same input. Does it make sense? Let me go back.
So the x values can't repeat.
X values?
Can't
Yeah.
repeat.
What I'm saying is, yes, see, let's say this is a function mapping diagram. This is called a function mapping diagram. Okay, this is X, this is Y. Okay, basically what I'm saying is, if this is 1, it cannot have two different outputs. This is not a function. You got it? Whereas this is X, this is Y. Whereas 1, 2, 3, everything can have the same output. That is okay. You got it? Here, if I plot the points, it's 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1. Here, if I plot the points, it's 1, 2, 1, 3. See, for the same input, two different outputs is wrong. You got it?
Yes, Miss Priya.
Okay. Did you get it, Avyukt?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we did not cover this one. But you know what? It's fine. I want you to be able to answer this based on the explanation because we are going to again, see, Algebra 1 starts with all this. Okay, vertical line test comes only there. I just told you from there. It's good to know. Any questions? Any other questions?
Miss Priya, does it say our score after we're done?
What is it?
Does
Yeah,
it say our score after we're done?
yeah, that's how I have configured it. Yes. Say, and I can send it to you immediately. Then we please finish it now. There's not finishing. Yes, ma'am.
On question 41, I'm confused because it's asking me to find the y-intercept, but on the graph, nothing like none of the x is what is 0.
What is that? Tell me again.
On question 41, I forgot how to find the y-intercept when like on the graph it doesn't tell you like what it doesn't like it doesn't have a point where x is 0 and y is a number.
You are not able to find the y-intercept, huh?
Yeah.
You're not able to find the y-intercept. What should I do? Let me see. You're not able to find the y-intercept. Now x equal to 0, you're not able to find out. You're saying, for every 4 increase in y, looks like there is 1 increase, right? For every 4 increase in y, there is a 1 increase in y, correct? For every 4 increase in x. So that is easy. Riyanka, I gave you a clue. What is the relation? Identify, see the table. For every 4 increase in x, y increase, for every 4 units increase in x, there is 1 increase in y. Does that give you a clue?
Yeah, I get
That's
it. I'll do it.
Guys, should I stay here? I think you're all by yourself, right? Can you finish this and go? Will you finish this and go, guys?
Miss Priya.
Yes.
I text.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
You submitted, huh? Yes, I got it. Oh yeah, you did it superbly, lady. Good job.
Is that good?
Yeah, it is a very good score.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Priya. Can I leave?
Absolutely. Yeah, you can definitely leave, but I want you to review the mistakes.
Yeah.
Okay, I really want you to. I'll release your scores. You can get it in the email, but please check.
Okay. Thank you. Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye. See you, Ma. See you in June. You did a
Yeah.
great job. Bye-bye.
Oh, also, my mom said I'm gonna do geometry CBE classes and algebra classes with you.
Perfectly works for you.
Yeah. Bye, Miss Priya. Miss Priya, I finished.
Good job, guys. I really want to log out, guys. I have something to go, but since you finished it, I will send your. I just want you to review the mistakes. Okay, Danvi?
Okay.
I'm afraid some of them, but good job. But you did a really good job. Some of the questions I feel like you did not concentrate and do, but please review your mistake, okay?
Bye.
But you did a great job.
Thank you. Bye.
Yep. Hey, can I log off, guys? Is it okay? You can message me after you're done. I'll release your scores to your email. You can review mistakes, okay? But please
Okay,
don't.
Auntie. Sounds
Please
good.
finish, okay? Please finish and go. Priyanka, I'm yet to know what you're going to do further, but keep me posted whatever you're going to do. Prince as well. Are you traveling, Prince?
I don't think so.
Okay. This will be our last class, guys, okay? So, see you in the first week of June. We are going to take a break next week, okay? So, after that, come with all energy, okay? Take a break. I'll miss seeing you, but take the break. I'll also have fun. You'll also have fun with the break. And after that, we'll see you in June. Okay, guys? Any questions for me? Any questions, guys? Yes, no. There are two answers,
No,
right?
Auntie, I think I'm good for now.
Thank you. Good luck, guys. Bye bye. I'll end the meeting.